Alright, we're here falling alder trees again. I have about a 40-year-old alder here. I just got it rigged up with some ropes and I'm going to try to fall it away from my house. We have my house here, the alder tree here. You can maybe see the ropes, I'm not sure. I got one going back this way, tensioned it up, and then I also put one going that way to put even more tension on it, so the tree's trying to go that way to avoid the fence, the power lines, the shed, my gardens, and my house. So we're not going anyway. That's about 180 degrees there. I'm gonna try to knock it right on the edge because that seems to be the way that I'm gonna try to bring this thing down. I got no idea what I'm doing here. Been watching a lot of people working at this stuff lately, so you know, I'm gonna do the best I can. It's always good to get it rigged up first, just in case. I'm gonna go get my girlfriend. This should be pretty funny. I'll get her pulling on the ropes. She gets worked up like in the easiest, like small tree scenarios. So this one's actually a problem tree and giant, so this should be pretty funny. Seconds more cutting and then some hammering. Okay. Wow.
You're doing good, Janet. It's coming your way.
Take a break.
I feel it. Yeah, I can see it. Coming towards Jan, though.
It's fine, it'll go that way and then it'll fall outwards.
Not big enough to take out any wires, eh?
How's that rope? Is it getting slack?
Yeah, it's coming down.
That means it's coming your way.
Yeah. So should I move?
No. You move when it falls.
I want to move now.
Okay, give it good.
Close, it's close.
Give a good strong pull, Jen.
Oh.
You'll know when it starts.
I can't do it, but I'm scared.
Yeah, come on, you're doing good.
Up, down, watch the tree. There you go. 1, 2, 3, down. No, I'm down on 3. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3, down.
That's the way.
1, 2, 3, down. Okay.
About.
I'm just going to cover it a little bit more.
So should I just get out of the way?
Yeah.
Mom, you don't even know what you're talking about.
Well, it's going to come down.
It is going to come down.
So where should I be?
Right at the knot.
Oh, dang it. That's scary.
Yeah, Vaughn, think about it.
At least I'm not on my own doing this. I got help.
I know, but I don't know if that's the best spot for Jen to be.
That's where I told her to be.
Can I go be right here?
That doesn't do anything, and you know it.
I just...
that laid perfectly.
Yeah, I know.
Good shot.
It's all
Wow.
about the hinge point right here. I learned that from, what's his name? Jerry Cote. I made a perfect hinge again. I think my work here is done today.
That was like exactly where you wanted it.
Yeah, that's how I roll, babe.
Good job.
Oh, another success here at the Cash residence, the Collins Farm. Peace out, YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up.